Hello, my fellow DB plumbers. I had a friend that said he needed some help. His client is coming in and he wanted me to get these faucets in. They had to be in because they got rid of the old ones, and he is coming in tomorrow. So I got this one in. It's a dual vanity bathroom, and this is the Signature Hardware Hendrix widespread faucet, and I really like it. It's got the mid-range spout. It's got the cross handles that kind of look like wheels. It's modern. It looks good. Signature Hardware is all about their quality. Stout. It's got a nice flow. Quarter turn. So I got another one to put in over here. So I was just going to take a second and show you guys how we do this, right? So we're dealing with the Signature Hardware 7331, or at least that's what that sticker says. Really, it's that number. But let's take a look here. So we open up the box, and I really like the way they package stuff. It can't rattle around. It's taut, and so this is real easy. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to take the spout, right? And this is similar with the handles too, right? So we just take the spout and we are going to unscrew this nut. Yeah, you just, wait a minute. I can't unscrew the nut because there's no threads. So I guess they put the nut on before they machine it. Yeah, so super high quality. I think this one was made on a Friday. And the guy's gonna be here tomorrow. Huh.